finally I got this, and I've been waiting for this for a long time, and now it's pre-ordered my S22 Ultra. So let's see what is inside, and let's see how it look like, how it's different from S21 Ultra, and what are the extra features. So let's open the package and see what's there. So first I'll find the way to open. Yes, stay from here. So the packaging is very good. It's very well tightly packed, so I think I need a knife to open it. So let's get a knife. So let's throw this, and now this is there. It's S22 Ultra, and here's the seal, official product, and MNP warranty. These are the warranties: MNP, Green Tech, Airlink. These are the warranty, and it is PT approved by default. And this is device verification, which I'll be doing. So I'll be using a knife again. So I'll again use a knife, cut it, and now, wow, it's really nice green color, and you can see it's amazing. It's slightly squared but curved as well, and obviously S Pen also. Yes, this is amazing. I will use it later on. Let's see what's other stuff. So let's put it aside, and we have this, nothing more in this. So okay, so we have this C-type cable, C to C-type cable, and obviously now mobiles nowadays are delivered without a charger, so we have only this thing inside and nothing inside. If I see, nothing is there, and then few instructions which I have never used. You can see if you want to. So all these things we will keep it aside. Okay, so now this is the thing. So let's remove this. Okay, so let's open it. So by the time it's opening, you can see how good color it is. It's really nice. It's a dull green color, but it's amazing. From everywhere down place you can see here is a speaker, SIM tray, C-type jack, and there is a dedicated slot for S Pen. These are the cameras. We have 100x zoom camera, we have 12 megapixel camera, main camera, and we have 3x zoom, which is telephoto camera, which is used for portraits and bouquets. So see how beautiful it is. It's shifting the colors, and I need to set up it. There is a 40 megapixel camera in front, and see how less the screen to body ratio is. Very thin bezels, very curvy, and really I squared and very, you feel really well, like really good to hold this is a beauty. So this was the unboxing of S22 Ultra. If you want to see the review, camera samples and other stuff regarding S22 Ultra, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week. Take care. Allah Hafiz.